Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain an issue that I had yesterday. I was in a quarter miles with my Srt4 2005. I feel 1 month ago something like a little bit more than a month. Shift number 3 is missing and pop up. Uh, Many people think that the problem could be a synchronizing gear set, but in the real, you have to take off. Okay. The first problem. Oh, before explain, you have to take off. Intake manifold, battery, selector shift is right here in very good shape, in very good conditions. The gear set it's clean and in a good condition. The problem was this metal wick. Through time, when you push hard to third, cause when something take around 20 miles per hour or 40 miles and want to take a roll, downshift 4 to 3 or upshift 2 to 3. What happened when some put hard, this come to broke a little bit, and so many time, sometime the 3 gear not engaged completely, so you feel a pop-up back and a hard shifting until this broken completely, like this one. So the what's the point of this? You have to take the number 1 plate, number 2 plate. Be careful with the O-rings retainer. After disassembly this reverse gear have a bolt right here. You have to take off first for make a better takeoff. What I have to do? I have to order this one, but it's weak. It's so weak. So I have this metal is hard. On eBay, sell a fork. When this part change it, and here and here and here put 3 bolt and replace this part for this kind of metal, so hard. So I was to build this and put the 3 bolt very tight and back to the place, and I hope that I build something more wrong, more hard, more strong. I don't know why they made with this, like it's not okay, but I explain when I finish this. I made another video when I finish this part and put it. Thanks, guy. This must be the hard part. Build. Thanks.